Did you know that the acronym SMART, which can be a game changer for your fitness and weight loss goals, was coined by a management review magazine in 1981? It wasn't designed by a group of fitness gurus trying to make fitness goals seem intimidating. The concept of SMART goals has been aiding fitness enthusiasts for decades, and it's as relevant today as it was back then. Hailing from the corporate world, SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements come together to form a potent strategy for setting and accomplishing fitness and weight loss goals. Picture it like a 5-step workout routine, each step bringing you closer to your fitness goals. And you thought it was just another jargon-filled business term. So you're aspiring to run a marathon or simply trying to shed some extra pounds. SMART goals are your secret workout buddy. Rest assured, you don't need to be a fitness expert to understand and use SMART goals. You might be wondering, what does SMART stand for? Is it some sort of fitness mantra or weight loss secret? Well, let's break it down. SMART is an acronym used to guide your fitness and weight loss goals. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's delve into the first letter, S, which stands for specific. Think of it as setting a precise target for your workout. If you just say, "I want to lose weight," you might not accomplish much. But if you're specific, like saying, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months," well, you've got a target to reach. Next is M for measurable. Imagine you're aiming for a toned body, but you don't keep track of your workouts or diet. Sounds like a hit and miss, right? Just like this, your goals need clear, measurable outcomes, like shedding a certain number of pounds or inches. It helps you track your progress and stay motivated. A stands for achievable. Picture yourself trying to run a marathon without any prior training. Unless you're an Olympic runner, it's not likely to happen. Your fitness goals should be challenging, but also achievable. Otherwise, it can lead to demotivation and even health issues. R stands for relevant. Like a marathon runner focusing on endurance training, your goals should align with your fitness aspirations. If you're aiming for weight loss, it wouldn't make sense to focus solely on upper body strength training, would it? Lastly, T is for time-bound. Think about maintaining a workout regime without a set time frame. It's overwhelming, isn't it? When you set a fitness goal, having a deadline is crucial. It gives you a sense of urgency and keeps you focused. So there you have it. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's not a fitness fad or a weight loss secret, but a logical and effective approach to achieve your fitness. Now that you know what SMART stands for, I bet you're ready to conquer your fitness journey. Did you know that the Bible, with its timeless wisdom, is also in agreement with the principles of SMART goals in context of fitness and weight loss? You might find this unexpected, but it's quite true. Allow me to guide you through verse in Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5. It states, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty." Now let's interpret this through the perspective of SMART goals applied to fitness and weight loss. The plans of the diligent correlates with the specific and measurable elements of SMART, referring to precise and quantifiable objectives, such as losing a certain number of pounds or running a certain distance. The phrase "lead surely to abundance" speaks to the achievable and relevant parts, underlining the fruitful results of well-crafted fitness plans. And the caution against haste? That symbolizes the timely aspect, cautioning us that rushing through a fitness regime often leads to unsatisfactory results, or worse, injuries. So even the scripture acknowledges the importance of SMART planning in the journey of fitness and weight loss. Now, let's get moving and delve into 21 real-life examples of SMART goals exclusively related to fitness and weight loss. Let's kick off with aerobic fitness. You might set a goal to walk 3 miles daily for the next 6 months, gradually increasing your pace and distance. That, my friends, is a SMART goal: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, we aim for strength training. Your SMART goal could be to increase the weight you lift by 10% over the next 3 months, gradually upping the resistance in your workouts. For flexibility, a SMART goal be to commit to a daily 15-minute stretching routine for the next 2 months, enhancing your suppleness and agility. Now, isn't that a picture of fitness mastery? In the realm of body composition, consider setting a SMART goal to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by incorporating regular exercise and a balanced diet into your routine. Now, let's move on to endurance training. Your SMART goal could be to run a half marathon in 6 months, gradually increasing your distance each week and maintaining a healthy eating plan. For nutritional balance, you might set a SMART goal to reduce sugar intake by 40% over the next 3 months, substituting with healthy snacks and fruits. For hydration, your SMART goal might be to drink at least 2 liters of water daily for the next 30 days, tracking your intake consciously. Let's take a jog into the world of circuit training. Your SMART goal could be to complete a 30-minute circuit workout 3 times a week for the next 6 months, alternating between different exercise groups. In the realm of yoga, a SMART goal could be to master 5 complex yoga poses over the next 3 months, dedicating daily time for practice and enhancing your flexibility. Let's not forget about core strengthening. Your SMART goal could be to hold a plank for 5 minutes the end of 2 months, gradually increasing your time each week. Back to aerobics, but this time with dancing. Your SMART goal could be to complete a Zumba class twice a week for the next 3 months, enjoying the rhythm while burning calories. For relaxation and recovery, a SMART goal could be to indulge in a 15-minute meditation session post-workout daily the next month, promoting mental well-being alongside physical fitness. Now let's sprint into high-intensity training. Your SMART goal could be to complete a 20-minute HIIT workout 3 times a week for the next 2 months, pushing your endurance and boosting metabolism. As for cycling, your SMART goal might be to bike 15 miles each week for the next 3 months, gradually increasing your speed and distance. For swimming, a SMART goal could be to swim a total of 10 miles over the next 2 months, improving your stroke and enhancing stamina. In the world of balance training, your SMART goal might be to master a full headstand in 2 months, practicing consistently with proper form. For martial arts enthusiasts, a SMART goal could be to learn and execute a new kick each month for the next 3 months, dedicating time for training and technique enhancement. Let's not overlook the importance of sleep and fitness. Your SMART goal could be to ensure 8 hours of sleep every night for the next 60 days, aiding recovery and maintaining energy levels for workouts. For meal planning, a SMART goal might be to prepare 5 healthy meals each week for the next 3 months, controlling your nutritional intake. And finally, for tech-savvy fitness enthusiasts, a SMART goal could be to reach 10,000 steps daily for the 30 days, using your fitness tracker to measure your movement. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start making your fitness wishes come true with SMART goals. Now, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to set some SMART goals of your own in the gym or at home. Don't forget to share your goals in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future Fitspiration. So why should you harness the power of SMART goals in your fitness journey? What benefits could you reap from it? Let me tell you, SMART goals are like the key ingredient to your favorite nutritious smoothie. They add that special touch to your fitness goals and weight loss dreams, turning them into achievable victories. Imagine trying to reach the summit of a mountain with your eyes closed. That's what it's like attempting to lose weight or get fit without SMART goals. But once you integrate this strategy, it's as if you've suddenly climbed above the clouds and the summit is in sight. Now you've got a clear path. Whether you're aiming to finish a marathon, shed those stubborn pounds, or just strive for a healthier lifestyle, SMART goals can guide you there. They keep you focused, motivated, and accountable. They break down your fitness journey into segments, making the colossal mountain of weight loss feel like a series of small hills. Remember, a fitness dream without a plan is merely a wish, but a fitness aspiration backed by SMART goals? Now that is a power move. So, you see, SMART goals aren't just smart, they're pivotal in your pursuit of fitness. Well, we've certainly broken a sweat in our discussion today, but remember, knowledge is only power when it's applied. Let's wrap this up smartly. We initiated by introducing the concept of SMART goals, breaking it down to specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We then delved into the wellness wisdom behind SMART goals, reminding ourselves that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Next, we broke down 21 examples of fitness and weight loss SMART goals, from targeted weight loss to overall health improvement. We highlighted how these goals can empower you, transforming your fitness dreams into reality with a structured approach. Now, it's your turn. It's time for you to take control and start setting your own SMART goals for fitness and weight loss. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, what are you waiting for? Get smart and start achieving your health goals. Before we wrap up, here's a quick task for you. If this video added value to your fitness journey, share the enthusiasm by clicking that like button. Don't miss out on our future content, so ensure you subscribe to stay updated. Now, it's your moment to embrace smart fitness. Head down to the comment section and post your fitness and weight loss smart goals. Let's create a health-focused conversation. And bear in mind, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Start dreaming and achieving smartly. Until next time, peace to you.